What's up, guys? It's lunchtime. I'm so tired. Been up on a roof all day, messing with solar panels, having a blast. So much fun. I had four people chasing down a reversed wire, and I'm like, man, this is sucking. Guess what? It was me. I'm the one that reversed the wire. Probably 20 minutes chasing my problem, and I couldn't see it right in front of my face. Sorry, everybody. I got it backwards. No big deal, but it's just annoying. Anyway, everything's going all right. We're having fun. We'll have the panels are all wired up on top of the roof, and they are generating power. So we're good there. Now we just got to mount them and make sure the wires look all nice on the roof, and screw them in, and I think we'll be good. I will do another update after we're done with class tonight. Man, it was a good day today. Got up there, finished up the roof, solar panels are installed, everything's cleaned up, it looks good, generating power. And we just powered up the whole system and it's working. A couple more little cables and we'll be good to go. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm excited. It was a lot of fun. Tomorrow we're gonna initialize the inverters and get those running. All right, I'll talk to you some more. I'm walking back to the trailer. Another day's done. I think today's what, day 4? Day 4 is done and it's alive. We've got the solar, everything on the roof is done. All the wiring in the main bay and batteries is pretty much done. There's a couple more communications cables we have to run. Yeah, Todd turned the power on to it. It worked great. It was charging the batteries. The inverter was up and running. Everything was looking good. I'm completely done on the roof. Good to go. We just got to tighten up a few other things on the Van Lee beacon that we're installing on in the other bay. The other half of the team is there's something. One of the inverters is misbehaving because there's 2 inverters on that thing for 10,000 watts total. It's pretty crazy. They're gonna have to troubleshoot and diagnose it. They want to charge the batteries up. They should be done tomorrow. We're gonna program the inverters and everything tomorrow, so that'll be cool to see. Not a ton else going on. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up, be done with solar. Week 1 done. Holy smokes. Next week we're gonna start fundamentals class. Learning a lot of stuff I kind of already know. It's more of a fundamentals. It's a fundamentals class. That'll be a fun class. And then after that, each week gets more in depth. It's gonna be exciting to learn other things. This week's been a fire hose of solar stuff. So this weekend, of course, the weather today was beautiful. It was like 72 degrees today, 73 degrees, gorgeous day. And then by Saturday, it's supposed to be windy, cold fronts moving through. So that's great. Thanks for the weekend. Appreciate that. But the NRVTA has been great. I've been enjoying it a lot. So far, I am super excited that I decided to come here. I was a little stressed out about spending that kind of money for a class. And so far, I think it's been worth it. I love it. Again, I have 5 more weeks. So subscribe down below, hit that like button. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. I do want to make other types of videos that aren't just me sitting here talking, but these update videos are making one every day. It's hard to come home after class worn out and then try to make a creative video. Just creative video. This weekend I want to make a video showing more of Athens and the area. Maybe take a little tour of the RV park, something like that. All right, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. All right, see ya.